All right, here we have some solving equation problems for you. We've got 3 of them. The first one says 3x plus 4 equals 13. Remember, when we solve equations, we have to use inverse operations or the opposite of the current operation to move things across the equal sign. For example, this one, it says a plus 4 here. So I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. That's a terrible 4. And then that leaves me with 3x equals 9. This is currently saying 3 times x, so its inverse operation is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3 and get x equals 3. All right, so x equals 3 is the right answer. If you want to check, you can put it back in and check it here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So that one works out. Let's try number 2. It says 5y minus 4 equals 2y plus 8. A little trick for you. If you want to move your smaller variable term to the other side, that'll always give you a positive number. Right, so if I subtract 2y to this side, right, moving the smaller one, now I have a positive 3y minus 4 equals 8, add 4, and then 3y equals 12, divide both sides by 3 again, and we have y equals 4. Okay, again, if you want to check that, put it back in. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 4 over here is 16. On this side, let's see if it also equals 16. If I plug in the 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 plus 8, of course, is also 16. So it also works out. The last one is the tricky one. This one says 3/7 w minus 2/9 equals 4/9 w plus 1/7. So here, since I have some fractions, we don't usually like those. We're going to get rid of them by, we're going to try to get our common denominator here to be 63. I'm getting that because 7 times 9, the two numbers that you see in the denominator, which multiplies together, that equals 63, okay? So in order for this bottom, or this denominator, to be a 63, I need to multiply its fraction by 9 over 9, okay? 9 times 7 is a 63 on the bottom. On the top, 9 times 3 is 27. Bring the w along with that one. What do I have to multiply this one by to get a 63 on the bottom? Well, that one's 7, right? 7 times 9. So on the top, I multiply it by 7. Right, multiplying by 7 over 7 on this one. 7 times 2 is going to be 14. And then same thing over here. I'm going to multiply this by 7 over 7. And this one by 9 over 9. So let's see. This is 28 over 63 w. Oops. 63w. And this last one is 9/63. That's a plus 9/63. Okay, so why does that help us now? Because if they all have 63s on the bottom, we can essentially cross those out. Oops, cross out the denominator. Just work with the top. So on top now, what I have is 27w minus 14 equals 28w plus 9. So let's see, if I subtract 27w, again, my smaller one like we did over here, a smaller variable, subtract 9 on both sides as well. This is going to cancel the 27w and the 9s. Over here, negative 14 minus 9 is negative 23. And 28 minus 27 is just 1w. So w equals a negative 23.